Hi guys, I'm Miss Poonam Jaisingra Patil, pleasurely greeting you all in this session where I elected Standard 10th. Subject stands 2. From that, let's go ahead for lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Before moving further for the topic, let's recall some points. Which are those two components of cellular nucleus of living organisms carries hereditary characters? Yes, you got it correct. Gene and chromosomes. These two most essential components which are responsible for carrying hereditary characters from one generation to next. Gene is a unit of heredity which is transferred from parent to offspring, held to determine some characters of offspring. What about chromosomes? Thread-like structures of nucleic acid and protein found in nucleus of most living cells for carrying genetic information. These two components of cellular nucleus are responsible for carrying hereditary characters in living organisms. What about heredity? What is the definition of heredity? The process of transfer of physical and mental characters from parent to progeny, it means offspring. It's called inheritance of or heredity. What about DNA? Yes, DNA is the most important for transferring genetic information. What are the components of DNA? DNA is made up of two helical strands consisting of deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid and pairs of nitrogenous bases. After some time, I will show you one structure in which I will explain structure of DNA. Before that, let's observe this picture. From this, what we can understand? This is picture about heredity. Middle one is the sun, and from arrow we can understand some characters may be physical or biological transferring from parents to offspring. It means heredity is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to another via genes. Just I explained this definition. Heredity, it's a process in which some characters transfer from one generation to another via genes. It means genes are playing important role for transferring genetic information. Some scientists evolved some researches regarding the genetics. Which are those? Scientist John Gregor Mendel is the pioneer of modern genetics. This is the pioneer of modern genetics, scientist John Gregor Mendel. Next, in 1901, the reasons behind the sudden changes were understood due to mutational theory of Hugo de Varese. Scientist Hugo de Varese researches about mutational theory. What is this mutation? Sudden change in genetic material is known as mutation. Meanwhile, in 1902, Water and Sutton observed the paired chromosomes in the cells of grasshopper. Until then it was not known to anyone. Research started in the direction of finding the nature of genetic material when it was proved that genes are carried via chromosomes, through which 1944 trio of scientists Ostwald Ovry, MacLeod McCarthy and Colin MacLeod proved that except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material. Just I told you before some time, DNA playing important role for the transferring genetic information from one generation to next. In 1961, the French genetics Francis Jacob and Jack Monod proposed a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. It helped to uncover the genetic codes hidden in DNA. What are these genetic codes? I will explain. Thereby, the technique of recombinant DNA technology emerged, which has a vast scope in the field of genetic engineering. Students, the science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorders. What is these hereditary disorders? It means some genetic disorders due to genetic problem at the time of birth. For example, sickle cell anemia. Knowing as a genetic disorder, it means hereditary disorder. At the time of birth, some problems occur. Because of that, we are calling it as a genetic disorder. Production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial processes in which microbes are used. In these fields, heredity and science of heredity is the most useful. This is the picture of French genetics. Francis Jacob and Jack Monod proposed model for DNA. See and observe carefully. This is the structure of DNA. Just I told you, double helix structure and base pairs. Sugar phosphate backbone is there, and adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. What are those? These are 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and deoxyribose sugar. It means sugar phosphate backbone. This is the structure of DNA proposed by Francis Jacob and Jack Monod. 2 stranded, it means double helix structure. I hope you understood history regarding the heredity and hereditary changes. In the next session, we will turn towards the transcription, translation and translocation. Thank you.